There are three kinds of English language teachers in the world: good, better, and the best. Good teachers always teach English in Hindi or any other regional language. They themselves don't speak in English even for 5 minutes. So think yourself, how can they make you speak in English? You must have watched their hundreds of videos on YouTube, but they never speak in English even in their one video. Actually, they are unproductive and unprofessionals. In reality, these pseudo-intellectuals waste your time and destroy your English because you can't learn swimming on the ground. Such teachers are good for nothing. Better teachers are those who speak in English, but they don't have best contents and teaching materials. They teach by rote learning. So they are also not able to produce fluent English speakers. But the best teachers are those who not only speak in standard English, but also teach you basic to advanced grammar, phonetics, and 3000 keywords with their uses and collocation, which are used in our day-to-day conversation. They teach with creativity and innovation. Such teachers produce independent and effortless English speakers. You will also be able to know who is the best English teacher if you watch this video till the end without a skip. So stay tuned. Hello friends, welcome to C4 English. Learn standard English with best contents, concept and creativity. Today I am going to share with you all the secrets of the best English teachers and their contents. He is A.S. Hornby. He has written and edited Oxford Dictionary. He has not only been a great lexicographer but also a great English language teacher. He says, Lexis, phonology and grammar are body, mind and soul to a language respectively, and an adequate command of these is essential for efficient and effective communication. Let's understand Lexis, phonology and grammar with this example. IPA helps us to pronounce any word correctly. When we look at the dictionaries like Oxford, Cambridge and Webster, we see the phonetic transcription. If we know the 44 IPA symbols, we will be able to pronounce any word correctly. First look the spelling. This is just a spelling. I am going to write the pronunciation of this word. This is f, this is a, this is primary stress or accent, n. O, L, O, J and E. This is called phonology. Now I am going to write American pronunciation. This is F, N, A, L, J and E. This is called phonology. So it's just a spelling. British pronunciation is phonology. American pronunciation is phonology. Phone means sound and logy means study. Phonology is the study of sound. Now look, I am going to write a word. Look it carefully. I wrote P-I-Z-Z-A, or in American spelling P-I-Z-Z-A. Now I am going to write the pronunciation. The pronunciation is P, E, T, S and A, and it's a noun. And its pronunciation is pizza. Its pronunciation is pizza. And dish. Now I am going to write a sentence. I eat पिज्जा. इट्स जस्ट अ लेक्सिस. ये इसका लेक्सिस है, इसका बॉडी है. Now I'm going to write the pronunciation. Pronunciation will be I, this is diphthong, eat, enter, eat, primary stress, p, e, t, s, and up. I eat pizza. It's a phonology. ये इसका sound है. And I am going to write now grammar. Subject, I is a subject plus eat is a verb, first form of verb, and pizza is an object, and it is its grammar. So without grammar, neither you can write any sentence nor you can speak any sentence. Without phonology, you cannot pronounce any word correctly, and without lexis, you cannot learn any spelling, any sentence. So there are three layers of English: lexis, phonology, and grammar, and these are called body, mind, and soul. और सारी डिक्शनरी इसी के बेस पर बनी हुई. Hornby further says, every language teacher must have well-planned teaching and reference materials for his or her students. So we have also written our own language course or program, which is very essential and helpful for 5 to 50 years age group learners. But I have found that 7 to 12 years kids are better learners. They learn quickly and accurately. Our all students are good English speakers, and they are able to consult standard dictionaries like Oxford, Cambridge, and others themselves. You can also speak in standard English if you watch and practice our 20 video lessons in sequence from the playlist of our channel, Speak in English with 20 Lessons. You'll be able to express your 98% thought, ideas, and feelings confidently if you watch and practice all these lessons in sequence. We teach A to Z with British and American pronunciation, 9 parts of speech, 21 tenses, 16 modal verbs, 5 kinds of sentences with question tags, passive voice, causative verbs, non-finite verbs, narration, figures of speech, British and American accent with phonetics, syllable, and word stress. We also teach how to read newspaper and books like intellectuals or literati. Our all videos are very important, informative, and innovative for all walks of people. I will see you soon with another informative video when God yearns. And thank you very much for watching this video.